Guys, I've just found the next huge marketplace that is probably most likely going to replace OpenSea or any other crypto marketplaces for the Ethereum blockchain. I'm going to be talking all about it today. It's called Immutable X. Let's get right into the video. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Here we upload cryptocurrency videos every single day, range from the latest altcoin news to fundamental technical analysis, as well as everything to do with NFTs. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing, as it's free. You can always unsubscribe and it takes like 2 seconds. And if you find any help or value in this video at all, just let me know with a like or a comment, as these videos are completely free to make and it really supports me when I see these likes and comments. And really quickly before we get into the video, thanks so much for the recent support. I'm seeing we have just hit 1.38k, so we're going to be hitting that 10k mark very soon, and when we hit 10k I'm going to be giving $500 in any cryptocurrency for the winner, so make sure to subscribe to be entered into that. I'm going to be picking it from a random subscriber. So a lot of you guys may have or may not have seen Immutable X as you've been scrolling through your Instagram, Twitter and YouTube feed. It's one of the most popping and most relevant things on the internet right now to do with cryptocurrency, and I'm going to be talking all about it today and why I think it is the future. And they also have just released their own cryptocurrency, which I'm going to be giving some price predictions for at the end of this video. However, let's have a quick read of the main points of this article explaining what IMX is and what Immutable X is. Immutable X, a deep dive into Ethereum's first layer 2 for NFTs, as you can see with this image right here. On the 25th, we announced that Immutable X token sale on CoinList starting September 8th at 17 UTC. Immutable X is the first layer 2 L2 scaling solution for NFTs on the Ethereum blockchain, with instant trade confirmations, high transaction throughput, and zero gas fees. Guys, that is the most important thing. Zero gas fees, without compromising any security of Ethereum. This week, we sat down with the Immutable X team to break down what they are building and its use cases and their recent traction in ensuring that more people can access world-class NFTs. Let's dive right in. To begin, what is Immutable X and who is it built for, and really what problem does it solve? Immutable X is a protocol that makes it easy for developers to create successful NFT projects despite the recent explosion of NFT trading volume and interest. There are still many barriers for developers and users preventing mainstream adoption of NFTs, particularly on the Ethereum network, where the vast majority of the NFTs are traded. Immutable X allows any developers to create world-class NFT projects without having to compromise on liquidity, network effects of Ethereum. But with this in mind, we set out to solve a few of the following problems. Poor user experience. Immutable X gives users the best trading experience with zero gas fees, instant trades, and high liquidity via a shared global order book. Low scalability without compromising security. The Immutable X protocol supports an extremely high transaction throughput of 9,000 plus TPS without requiring users to compromise the custody of their assets. Slow developer experience. Immutable X develops suit SDKs and APIs, provides a permissionless gateway for NFT developers to build a mainstream NFT game, dApps, marketplaces in day, not months. And guys, let's have a quick look at this marketplace from the Immutable X website. It is very well put together, as you can see, and they've got a little featured collections right here, some popping collections that potentially could be the pioneers, could be the new Bored Ape Yacht Club, or maybe even the new CryptoPunks, because I believe Immutable X is the future, and so many other people do, because of how bad Ethereum is right now and how bad OpenSea is and everything. Moving back to this article, let's continue reading. What are the advantages you found building a layer 2 protocol on Ethereum? That was asked to the NFT Immutable X founders and CEO. A critical decision for us when building Immutable X was the choice of the underlying scaling solution on the blockchain infrastructure. We weren't interested in switching to another blockchain or to a sidechain, because NFTs are only valuable as the blockchain they are built on. Ethereum is by far the most dominant smart contract blockchain, and as a true layer 2 ZK rollup, Immutable X directly inherits the security of Ethereum. Users can move their assets trustlessly between layer 1 and layer 2, which means there is no custody or security risk like the Poly network hack. NFTs on Immutable X never leave the Ethereum blockchain at all. Another massive advantage of Ethereum is its established and rapidly growing network effects. Ethereum has a thriving developer ecosystem, passionate community, and end of users, a massive market cap securing the network. This makes the adoption of Immutable X easier because we can plug it into Ethereum tooling such as stablecoins, DeFi protocols, and wallets. Finally, Ethereum community has been extremely supportive of our project, which we have been incredibly grateful for. And as you guys know, the Ethereum community is one of the biggest communities out there right now, and with the help of them and the support of the Ethereum community as a whole, Immutable X really can do everything they want, and the sky's the limit. Let's have a quick read of what you can do with IMX, the Immutable X token, and really how it will work and what it means and everything you need to know before investing. Governance. Use your IMX to vote on the future of Immutable X. Proposals will be published on Snapchat and will relate to the future developments and expansion of the protocol. Transaction fees. 20% of all protocol fee on the Immutable X transaction must be paid in IMX. If you do not currently own IMX, Immutable will convert your fee by purchasing IMX on the open market. Staking. All fees will be paid in IMX and are sent to the staking reward pool. Users can earn proportional shares of this reward by staking their IMX. How does staking work? All IMX held on L2 is automatically staked if you have voted on a proposal and owned or traded L2 NFT in the last 30 days. And here's a quick little infographic kind of image to show you how everything will work with staking your stake, staked by all users, staking reward pool, and then therefore rewarded to you. How do you earn IMX? Trade NFTs, earn points, receive IMX rewards, and further, users can earn IMX by completing actions which benefits the protocol, such as trading. Every rewarded action will earn a certain amount of points, and of course the daily reward pool will allocate proportionally to each user's points. Yeah, and then it just goes on to do how their supply and a little bit more in depth and more technical. That's really not that important unless you really want to know for sure, which I will leave this in the description below for you guys to come and have a look at it for yourself. Another big piece of news is that they are releasing a token, and they have recently just released it. It's not actually on CoinMarketCap yet because it is such a recent release, and I believe when this token comes out it could potentially be the new SafeMoon and could skyrocket almost like 20,000x in price. So I would definitely be an early investor of this token, and I'm definitely going to make sure to do that. Coming back to the marketplace, let's just have a quick overview of what it's looking like. Overall, it's pretty simple right now, but it is only going to get better with the support of everything, and as time goes on, the developers will grow and get better on this marketplace and start designing it better and make it more user friendly. But let's have a quick look at just an example of one of the NFT for sale right now. It is called the Moody Crows, and one of the most popular ones out right now, with a pretty low floor price. Let's have a quick look at the lowest price right now. So pretty low floor price of not even 1 Ethereum yet, so it's pretty easy entry, and lots of people can get started, which is great to see. So overall, concluding, Immutable X is the future, guys. It is the future of NFT trading, it's the future of NFT marketplaces, and I believe the token will 1000x, even 100x, I don't even know, and all the NFTs on it right now will be the pioneers for the future when we're looking back at this 20-30 years from now, when everyone is buying NFTs. And yeah, however, I have to remind you guys, I'm not a financial advisor. These videos are not for financial advice, they are just for entertainment purposes. So if you want to invest in cryptocurrencies or NFTs yourself, make sure to do your own research. However, that is about it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to like and subscribe, and if you subscribe, turn on that post notification for me. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.